Hi guys. In this pronunciation audio guide, we will tackle the equivalent phrase for how are you and thank you in Tagalog. After we greet a person, we mostly ask the question, how are you? Now, what is how are you in Tagalog? The equivalent phrase for how are you is kamusta. Kamusta. Ka-mus-ta means how are you? After we greet the person magandang araw, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, or magandang gabi, we follow it up by asking, kamusta? Often, you will hear the person's response, okay lang. If we directly translate that response, it means just okay. But in the Tagalog setting, it means just fine or I'm alright. It's important to remember the intonations of the response as well. Let's say, for example, you ask the person, kamusta? And he weakly responded, okay lang. It means that there must be something wrong or the person might be having a bad day. That's why intonations are important. How about you? When we ask someone, kamusta? And he responded, okay lang or okay naman, he also wants to know, how are you doing? Right? So here's the phrase that he can use or that he should use that is equivalent to how are you? Ikaw, kamusta? Ikaw, kamusta? Is equivalent to how about you? So in turn, he asks you, how are you doing? Okay, so let's now jump to the sample conversations that we have below. John said, kamusta? Peter responded, okay naman. And for the other example, we have Mario said, oh, kamusta? Luigi responded, ayos naman. Ikaw, kamusta? And Mario in turn responded, okay lang. So that's the end of this pronunciation audio guide. I hope that you practice and you get the how are you equivalent in Tagalog. It's kamusta. Kamusta?